There is definitely some sort of pool party happening right outside my window, so if you guys hear fun and laughter and FOMO, it's a pool party. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm wearing my bride pajamas because I just got done filming my Wedding Wednesday question and answer video. So yeah, never mind this. I mean, it doesn't really look like pajamas, right? Cut me a break here, guys. Anyways, it's been a few months since I filmed an Empties video. A few months, like, gosh, probably like 4 months, and I have quite a bit of trash that has built up. A lot of this is stuff that you may or may not have seen already, but a lot of it is brand new stuff too. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into it. This is probably, gosh, I wanna say like 3 months worth of Empties. Maybe not. Anyways, it doesn't really matter, who cares? Okay, hopping into it. The first thing I have right on top here, I actually should have quite a few more shower gels, but I have this thing recently where, like, instead of using one bottle up completely, I've been like jumping between different scents because I'm getting like bored of the same scent. So I love my Vanilla Bean Noel, but like I love other stuff too, you know? So I find that I'm not using shower gels and lotions as quickly as I used to because I'm using like a little, anyways, you know what I mean. So I have actually 2 shower gels and 2 lotions, all from Bath & Body Works. First one is in the Vanilla Bean Noel scent, and then the other one is in French Lavender and Honey. I actually picked this up when my sister was here for my bachelorette party. This was my favorite Bath & Body Works scent, French Lavender and Honey, and then they like discontinued it, and then they brought it back for a minute. So yeah, there's that, and I think that is it. I do have a hair mask in here. So this is the Eva NYC Therapy Session Hair Mask. I love this stuff, you guys. It smells so good. There's almost like a bit of like a powdery, like musky scent to it. And I'm not typically a musk fan, but I do really enjoy this scent. I do find that it also, like, the scent lingers in your hair. So I only wash my hair like once every 6 days, and by the 6th day I can still kind of smell this in my hair. I think all their hair products smell like that, but this mask was really nice. It did leave my hair really soft. It's huge. It lasted forever. It is a drugstore brand, so you can get it at like Walgreens and Ulta, and it's not gonna break your bank. I don't think I like it more than Briogeo or Macadamia, but it is a really good, cheaper alternative. I do have quite a few Batiste. Surprise, surprise, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I think just the 5. Oh, I found another shower gel, Vanilla Bean Noel. Hiding at the bottom there. There's also a Vanilla Bean Noel Body Butter Empty, so I guess I used more than I thought. Oh, this body butter, by the way, is absolutely amazing. Aside from the scent, God, I love Vanilla Bean Noel so much. The body butter is really, really thick and really, really creamy, so if you have dry skin, especially in the winter, Bath & Body Works body butter is like so good. Anyways, Batiste. So I have 5 of them. 2 of them are the Sassy and Daring Wild scent, which is kind of like a vanilla-y scent. 2 of them are my favorite. It's the Bright and Lively Floral, nice and fresh and clean. And then Batiste also came out recently with like 5 new scents. And this is one of them. I bought all the new scents, by the way, and I bought them online, which was probably a bad idea because I didn't get to smell them ahead of time. So Naughty is one of them. So there's like Naughty and Nice, and then there's a rose gold. I think there's a regular gold and maybe a silver. I don't think it's actually tinted that color though. I don't know. I haven't used those ones yet. But Naughty was the first one that I used. I have to say, it wasn't my favorite. Like it almost has like a perfumey, like old lady perfumey scent to it. Like it's just too strong of like a perfumey scent. I don't know. I don't like it. It's bold and enchanting is what it's supposed to be. If I had my choice, I would not buy that one again, but the product itself is absolutely amazing. I mean, hello. It's definitely my favorite. I also have another dry shampoo by Redkin. This is the Pillow Proof Blow Dry Spray. This is a really, really good dry shampoo. I will say, ooh, there's a little bit left. Nope, not so much. It does not work as well as Batiste. It's also much more expensive than Batiste. But I think I got this for some reason. It was like a deal of the day, or like buy 2 get 1 free or something like that. So I didn't end up spending a ton of money on it, but I would definitely not purchase this over Batiste. It only works on like 2-day hair, maybe 3-day hair. But when you get to like the 4th, 5th, 6th day hair where your hair is really greasy, you need something really powdery. And that's when you're gonna need something like Batiste. But this does work okay. Like if this was available and this wasn't, like I would buy this. I have another shower gel in here. It's the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Shower Gel. I love this stuff, you guys. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells like this caramely, like almond. It smells like ice cream. Like the best ice cream ever. It's so good. The thing is, it is quite pricey and you can only find it either online. Sometimes you can find it at Sephora. So like, I don't think I would purchase this over like a Bath & Body Works shower gel unless I was trying to splurge. Like something nice, something splurge worthy like every once in a while. But it smells so good. I have a couple of shampoos in here. Is it just the 2? Yeah, it's just the 2. So I have this Paul Mitchell Lemon Sage Thickening Shampoo. I love this stuff, you guys. So I originally purchased this for Matt like years ago because of, you know, the thinning hair situation. And then I one day used it for myself because like I was out of my shower or my shampoo and I didn't want to, you know, go into the sink and get one for myself because I always have a backup. But so I used his in a pinch and I was like, ooh, I really like this. It has tea tree oil in it. So it really just like invigorates your scalp and just like gives the sensation of your hair like growing. I don't know if it actually does or not, but it does make your hair feel thicker and I just really like it. I have repurchased it. I use it myself now. That's how much I like it. The other shampoo I finished up is my Milkshake Silver Shine Shampoo. This is the best purpley bluish shampoo ever. I recommend this over anything you can get in store anywhere in the US. This is so good. I get it on Amazon. The only thing is it's like, it's sold out a lot of the time, but it is like the most potent, like pigmented blue shampoo. So if you have blonde hair like me and you want to tone out the brass, this will tone out the brass. It's almost so pigmented that it kind of like stains your hair a tiny bit purple, and like your cuticles and your nails will be like a slight lavender tint for a day or two, but it eliminates all the brass. I love it so much. I dyed my hair even blonder if you couldn't tell. So I highlighted it right before my wedding and I absolutely love it, by the way. So fun for summer. But my hair just gets brassy so fast after I highlight it. So having a blue shampoo is absolutely essential for me. I have not repurchased this yet because I did buy a liter of the AG blue shampoo, which is okay. I actually used it today because this was gone. But when that's gone, I'm gonna go back to this because I just love it. It also smells like blueberries. It's a good smell. I have 3 makeup removing oils. Yeah, these were all oils. I am a huge makeup remover oil fan. I use them, cleansing oils. I guess that's a more proper term. Every day when I take out my makeup, I always use a cleansing oil. Right now I'm using the Bobbi Brown one. I won't buy it again. I'll just spoil it, won't buy that one again. My favorite is the Boscia Makeup Breakup Cleansing Oil. Sephora has a good one. These are some that I bought for various reasons over the past few months. So the Kiehls one I bought because I was at Kiehls and they had a deal where it was like, if you spend X amount of dollars, you get this for free, which always gets me. So that's why I have that one. I wouldn't buy that one again though. The Clinique Take the Day Off, I got this as a PR gift when I was at Gen Beauty a while ago. It's good, but it's not better than their balm. I think their balm works a lot better than their oil as far as getting your makeup off. The Lancome one I got because it was like a steal of the day at Sephora one of the days, and it's okay. It doesn't work better than the Clinique one. It doesn't work better than Boscia, and it's way more expensive than both of those. The only reason why I bought it is because it was a deal of the day, plus it was during like their 20% off sale or something like that. So I got it for like a smoking deal, like $8. When originally I think it's like $30 or something like that. So I won't buy that one again, but it did work okay. I have 2 makeup wipe packages in here. Both of these are Pond's. I love the way Pond's smells. I'm actually using the Kirkland brand ones now from Costco because it just seems like a much better deal. And I don't like them more than Pond's. Pond's is hands down my favorite. I will always love Pond's more, but I'm using Kirkland now. I have a facial exfoliator in here. This is the Marini Holiday Exfoliator. It smells like Christmas cookies. Actually, this is like the weirdest Christmas cookie scent of anything I've ever gotten before because it's not sweet Christmas cookie. It's like, it's almost like if your batter didn't have sugar in it, what it would smell like. It's weird and it works. For some reason I like it. This was a really, really good exfoliator. It was like a gritty texture, but not super gritty, so you didn't feel like it was like slicing up your skin, but you also felt like it was exfoliating the dead skin off your face, you know what I mean? I did get this as PR, so I don't think I would repurchase it simply for the fact that it's not readily available like in store. They do sell it at my dermatology office, so I guess I could get it there. But I would much rather get something that I can pick up at like Sephora or Ulta. That way I could recommend it to you guys also. So that's that. I have 3 more skincare items. So the first one is my Peter Thomas Roth Rose Stem Cell Moisturizer. I love this stuff, you guys. I already repurchased it. I'm already using it. I'm already like half done with the new one because it is the best moisturizer. I'm so sad. I think they're discontinuing it because you can't get it at Ulta anymore. You can only get it at Sephora, and you can only get it online at Sephora. It isn't in stores at Sephora anymore. So I'm like, oh my God, is this being discontinued? I don't know. They do sell it on Amazon, but I'm like so weary of buying it on Amazon because I'm afraid that it's fake and it's not the real Peter Thomas Roth. I don't know, I'm weird like that, but it smells so good. It smells like rose if you're a rose fan, but it's not like an overpowering rose scent. There's a lash. I mean, my hair's stuck in my eyelash. It smells like rose. It's like this texture of like gel kind of, but like a thicker gel. It doesn't leave your face greasy or sticky. It just melts into your skin. Whenever I use this, my skin just feels better. Like I just have really good skin. So love that stuff. I also finished my favorite eye cream. So you can tell I've been using like some holy grail skincare products like the lotion, the eye cream, also my serum, because I was leading up to my wedding and I was super hesitant to switch up my skincare game. Probably like the 3 months leading up to my wedding, I refused to use anything other than my holy grails because I didn't want to risk anything weird happening to my skin. You know what I mean? I didn't want my skin to get like milia or weird acne that I couldn't get rid of or scars or whatever. So I used my Holy Grail moisturizer, my Holy Grail eye cream, and my Holy Grail serum. And I stuck to it because I didn't want to mess anything up. But my Holy Grail eye cream is the Kiehls Creamy Avocado Eye Treatment. This is one of the only eye creams I've been able to find that doesn't give me milia bumps. That's why I love it so much. It's also really creamy and it does hydrate your under eyes, but it doesn't give me milia bumps. So love that. I've already repurchased it. And then the serum that I love is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. This bottle particularly I did get as PR, but I repurchased it and I got the big ol' Mama Jamma that's like this big because it is so good. It's a night serum, but I use it during the day. I used it today. I use it every day during the day. I use it under my moisturizer and it just makes my skin feel so good. Like on another level good. Just like smooth, and it makes the texture go away, and it just hydrates, and it slightly eliminates fine lines and gives me hydration, and like it's just so good. I know a lot of people think this is for like old people, but I don't think I'm old and I use it. I have a Clarisonic head in here. Actually don't know why that's in there. I mean, it's trash, but usually I just throw those out. I do have some makeup. I actually have quite a bit of makeup. I don't have this many empty makeup products usually. So some lashes, my Ardell Wispies. I usually have more lashes than that, but I've been reusing my lashes a lot more, only because I've been using more expensive lashes like Lilly lashes, and I don't want to waste them because they're really expensive. So I've been squeezing lots of uses out of them. Like the ones I'm wearing today are the Miami lashes, and this is probably like the 7th or 8th time I've worn these. With Ardell, I could never get that many uses out of them because they're just a little bit more like cheaply made. But yeah, so I just went through the one. I do have a primer in here. I actually have 2 primers. I have a face primer and an eye primer. The face primer is the Makeup Forever Step 1 Equalizer in the smoothing formula. This is probably like the 3rd one of these I've gone through. It's one of my favorite pore filling. Okay, something just squirted. Did it get on the camera? No, it didn't get on the camera. I don't know where that went. It's one of my favorite pore filling primers, but right now I'm using the, I'm pointing like it's back there. It's not, it's in the drawers. The Touch and Soul No Pore Blum, and I think I like that better than this one. So this one's just really, really thick, and it just, you really have to like press it into your pores, whereas the No Pore Blum is a little bit thinner in texture, so it's still good though. And then the NARS eyeshadow base. This is the only eyeshadow base I will ever use, probably for the rest of my life, unless they discontinue it. Let's keep our fingers crossed that they don't, because it is that good. I have an Anastasia Brow Wiz. I feel like I always have these, one of my favorite brow pencils. I have the Benefit Roller Lash. I used this for longer than I should have. Ew. Yeah, it's starting to smell like wet leather. It's definitely past its expiration date, but I used it for way longer than I should have. I almost forgot how much I loved this mascara until I used it again. Like, it really does lengthen your lashes better than any mascara I think that I've used in a really long time. It's also really just like hard. Like, that sounds weird, but like you put it on your lashes and it makes them like hard, which I think is what mascara is supposed to do, but this takes it to another level. I like that because it almost like makes them stiff and just like kind of look like falsies, you know what I mean? I don't notice a ton of curl out of it, but I do like this. I'm already using another one, so like that one a lot. I also used up an Urban Decay All Nighter. This is the best setting spray, you guys. Yeah, all gone. Nope, all gone. Ooh, it just spit at me. Hope it didn't mess up my makeup. This is what I used on my wedding day. It did really lock it in place. I use it every day, whether I'm using powder foundation or liquid foundation or natural makeup or glam makeup. Like, I just use it probably more than I should. Like, I would just like bathe in it. I love it so much. And then the Kat Von D Lock It Powder Foundation is the last empty that I have. This is my favorite powder foundation. It is the most full coverage powder foundation I think I have ever used at all. Maybe Bare Minerals is a little bit more full coverage, but this is up there. I mean, this is what I use on a daily basis. I do not wear liquid foundation on a daily basis. It just takes too much time in the morning when I'm getting ready. I use powder foundation, and this has been my go-to for the past few months. This is the third one that I've gone through, so love it. I wear the color Light 44, by the way. Okay guys, I'm actually starting to kind of lose my voice, so I'm glad that this video is over, but I hope that you guys enjoyed listening to me talk about my trash. Let me know if you like Empties videos in the comment section down below. I actually have noticed that it's one of my most highly watched videos, so I'm assuming that you guys like them, but yeah, let me know if I should continue to film these. Is there something else that you want to see? I'm just kind of wanting to start to film more, and so I want your feedback on things, so let me know in the comment section down below. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you next time.